Hello, welcome. This is Rupali Saman, and this week I'm so happy to be back with another of my workouts in my series How To. We've been going through various workouts in this How To series. We started with how to lunge, how to bicep curl, how to do a squat, how to do wall push-ups. Last week we did do how to do half push-ups. I hope these videos have helped you and supported you in doing your workouts, which tells you how to do a certain workout. Today I bring you how to do full push-ups. Do incorporate them, whether they are wall push-ups, half push-ups, and slowly graduate to full push-ups, because it helps you strengthen your core. It helps you build a stronger upper body. It is basically working with your full body weight. Before I go into showing you how to do a full push-up, I would also like to break this down into doing an incline push-up. In the stages of a wall push-up to a half push-up, instead of taking you directly into a full push-up on the mat, I will show you how to do with an incline push-up. For an incline push-up, you will need a bench or a chair or a little stool that I am going to be using today, and your stance is exactly as you did a wall push-up. So your arms are directly under your shoulders, and there will be slight gap between the object that you are holding on to and yourself. You need to place your hand right under your shoulder on the stool, and the same distance that you place on the wall, you need to keep your distance here. And I go down and I come up. What I'm doing is I'm going perpendicular down and I'm coming up. I'm going down straight, I'm coming up. My chest is touching the stool. But initially, if you cannot do that, it's fine to just go as much as you can. But not push your hips down. There's no need to push your hips down, or there is also no need to do this, shake your neck. We are not going to move any other part of our body, but we are just going to go down as much as you can. If you can do it, to go down at this level, hold on to it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up again. If you can go a little lower, hold on to it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, and I am on my toes. Okay? I'm on my toes at this moment. If I do not hold my core tight, my hips will droop down and my posture will be a little hunched. So we are going to make sure that we are going to be holding our core tight at any given time. After you have mastered the incline push-up, at whatever level you are, it is fine. You slowly move on to a full push-up, as I will show you right now. Hands are placed next to your chest. Always remember this. Your feet are closed and you just come up in a half push-up. When you come up in a half push-up, you realize your strength is all in your shoulders and your palms. And slowly from this position, you graduate into coming up like this. Now when you are here, you realize that this is a plank position. To make things easier, you can keep your legs a little apart from each other and slowly go down as much as you can. I'm able to touch my chest and I'm able to come up. I'm able to touch my chest. I'm able to come up. This is a full push-up. Now if you are unable to go down as much as I have right now, it is fine. Go down as much as you can and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can gradually settle down. So what you can do is, always remember, you need to place your arms next to your chest. Once your arms are placed next to your chest, you need to go onto your knees and come up and slowly go in a perfect plank position. After you've gone in that perfect plank position, You can keep your legs apart. Eventually, you need to get them closer. Hold the core tight. Go down to the level you can, and wherever you reach, whatever level, even if it's an inch or half an inch of progress, it is a huge achievement. And whatever level you reach, hold on to it for a few seconds. Maybe 1 or 2 seconds initially, then move on to 5 seconds. So if you can hold on to that position for 5 seconds and then completely drop down to the floor, it is also alright. But do not do a full push-up until you have done your incline push-up. The incline push-up actually gives you the real feel of how a full push-up is done. Hope my series of how to do a wall push-up, how to do half push-ups, and how to do incline push-ups to reach your full push-up is understood and you are able to do it. If there's any query, if there's any doubt, do not hesitate. You can write to me on my YouTube channel. I'll be so happy to help you. A little piece of advice is never give up. Don't give up. Keep trying. Each day you build your strength, and all these are done with a lot of practice and years of determination. So do not be in a rush. Go slow, go steady, and be humble to your body. Love your body. Be gentle. Don't push it. It is yours. It is a temple. Look after it. And do stay safe. Stay at home. Things are opening up right now. Rush to step out. Help our Maharashtra police. Help every citizen to stay safe. Look after your family. Love yourself. Stay active. And subscribe to my channel too. Hope to see you next week. Till then, lots of love.